Lepi baro ni pedang sompai pi shikatuk kubor mita ka jan miet ron pai shiki kubor ki babnyai pejmai ki mat bukongsan. Sedang ke sorkar berne AA persya u AIGP berim uba JK yang rai ka bedai bak kajing pendan kambak lai ke kali. Rakhi katnat pulit MEGHALAYA Police Commemoration Day. Penlong katnat District Tuberculosis Officer East KHASI Hills ya Food Distribution Support Scheme na bentagi nopang TB. Baru bak palau la day bentok kit halor kit khot jong Congress Club hat seng ong ba lak men dembui. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri ki kampok yang uba lak men rembui ula ong. Baka sorkar kala dep man sedang ya ki kam ki jam ban le AA persya ya Assistant Inspector General ubala rem jong ki pulen uba JK yang rai kat kum ki kendon ki baya hap ha ka baya day bat ki jing pen ken an jong u uba rembui lai thu ru pala dep ban IT no ya ka jing keno persya ya u bat minta pat ka disciplinary committee kan sapet thu bha ha baro ki liang Khama Shwaru ka loka yuta jongka Jilla MEGHALAYA kala khot hajario Director General Berim jongki pulit u R Chandranathan bat ru yu he pulit ka Jilla MEGHALAYA u ba JK yang rai hakabe dei ba ka jing ujor ka blakin tu ki bor ba dei khmi ban tokit halor ka kam ka be dei bat ka jing pendan kam baklai ki kali hapok ka tanat pulit jongka Jilla La ban penkin mau ru hang ni baya ka jing ujor halor ki jing toko trai kam ka be dei ba ka jing thiet ki kali bat kumjo ru ki wei pat ki jing toko trai kam la ujor persya do unong aktien jo ka seng Trinamool Congress usaket gokle
Not exactly what is the inquiry all of, but the duty is to find the truth, and as I said, whatever report they have been submitted, the article of charge which have been submitted, the disciplinary committee will look in all these aspects and action as and when they finish, if proven, will be taken, action will be taken.
Director General of Police MEGHALAYA Dr. LR Bishnoi minta kasngi ulaya lam ya kakin hun pulit pan ken mau burom ki pulit ke bela phai la ka jeng im na ka benta kari ha kasngi rakhi kerpang ke Police Commemoration Day da ka baki la penlong ke jeng lej bu sentiu palat arspa anriu pusau ngot ki pulit ke la yap hakini ki snam bala lej ha keleng ki benta jong kari man lau snam kari ke ju ai burom ki officer pulit bela yap kat ba ki dang syakri ha kakam DGP ulai kenduk ru iki bahayang hasem jo ki pulit ki bela phai la ka jeng im ha kapor bi dang don ha kakam ha ka jo kapor ki pulit ka West Giant Hills District ki la rakhi kani kasngi buram ha phelau jo ka Police Reserve Administration Building Superintendent of Police ka West Giant Hills District Bikram D Marak ki MPS ringkat ka tanat pulit ki la kan mau buram ki pulit ki bela phai la ka jeng im na ka benta kari Ka office jong ka District Tuberculosis Officer East KHASI Hills District hinin kasngi la penlong ka Food Distribution Support Scheme nak benta ki nong pang TB ha Social Service Center Bishop's House Lamkra kumshi benta jong ka Pradhan Mantri TB Muk Bharat haba kren bakila pathai khubor I District TB Officer Dr. J Kharwan lang ilaong ba ka TB office ha ka jela kelas dang he ka jinge trei lang bat ki pat ba ban wat ki nong sinyang nak benta ki nong pang TB ban ai jing kershan bam yakin nong pang ha kapor bidang don ha jing sya sumar I Dr. Kharwan lang ila pentip baka TB office kala yo hadu prangot ki nong senyang ki ban pen kre bam minta sya ki nyau pusau ngut ki nong pang bat ong ru baya menta ki don palat ya ka shi hajar lais pa ngut ki nong pang ki bidang sya sumar Kani ke program kat muru bat pensapriang jingtip hakabedei bat ke National Tuberculosis Elimination Program bat ke Pradhan Mantri TB Muk Bharat abhiyan ka badang syupalai themai.
East KHASI Hills we had started where it is a community engagement whether we have to find a donor for the TB patient to give nutritional support in the food sector by giving them every month for during their duration of treatment. Most of them 6 months, 9 months, then 1.5 year treatment. And, so we have found in East KHASI Hills, we have got around 8 donors now, and it's catering to 74 patients right now. So we still have a long way to go, because in East KHASI Hills we have around 1,300 patients at present taking treatment.
Kaseng United Democratic Party kalabo jengkeli halor ka jinglong nong yalam jongba Vincent H. Pala kum President ka MEGHALAYA Pradesh Congress Committee. Kum Menteri Sorkar ba unong mikmat kaseng UDP uba lakmen rumboy ukentu yo ba palaban tokit ba balay baro agi dokot jong kaseng Congress kimi no na kaseng tangmar shushim timu u kum kli nong yalam kaseng. Hapai krem bagi nong tok kubor uba rumboy ulaong baha ka jinglong nong yalam jong ba palay kaseng Congress ha ka jela kaseng kala du no ya baro ki MLA but what ki kirtong ki batmu banya kun na kaseng Congress ha ka ni ki election ban wanru kilami no na kaseng. Kajuk kepor uba pala ula keno uba rembui ula pelera nya la kajong kaseng ke baudan namar ke jing bamla ajong u bante la kam ya ketenat ki kampo yeng ke ubat pat kum juru ketenat puli putih habu juba ke jing kren jong ba pala uba rembui uba de no yalam berem kaseng Congress ula ong badai na ke jing bambiang ke rukom yalam jong ba pala ba kaseng Congress ka yai peteng ban ma jing e.
I think he should introspect why all his colleagues run away from him. As soon as he comes to the state, the Congress lost all its MLA, and even the prospective candidate whom they have already selected that they may contest from the Congress. As of now, they are run away to other party.
I think Rumbu has really embarrassed his own party, where his own party demanded his resignation. And his own party, his own departments is fighting with another departments. The home departments under him, education department under him. So home department tear gassed the education department, the teachers and all.
Ka MLA kaseng Congress ka blasha be seng shipor ka kong April lengdo kalapan pau ka jingbom hun halor ka rukom penlong ka election jit President Jong kaseng Congress. Ka kong lingdo kala ong ba kaseng Congress kala dayban kamle janai ka rukom penlong ka ni ka election. Kala ong ru balado dukhat barang ba do jong kaseng Congress kum usashi thurur yo I bakadon ka jingya lat no nagikindon trekam kumta ka kong lingdo kansadon hakaliang jong u.
I would feel that if a very senior congressman like Shashi Tharoorji sees that there has been some deviation from the prescribed norm, then I would go with Shashi Tharoorji because I happen to know him personally, individually. But it's very sad to see that again this controversy rises.
Ki pulit ko umyam police station hinin ka step kila yo jing tip ka don ka taxi kamay ka blashu I klem don nong nya hapadeng jong ka jingking ka pung umyam ka bedon your registration number ML not san y nyo san laya ka balanya do bas kembor lang karmo plang na kasnong maulay mautawar para ka jing wat ha ka ni ka jakala suba ba unong nya ka ni ka taxi letsi ula penyap no yaladi. Mardor ki pulit ka tanat fire and emergency service ringkat ke special rescue team but ki pulit na East KHASI Hills kila poy hakni ka jakaban wat pat bansay ka met jong uba karmo plang hinrei tat hadu menta ka sngi ki pulit kimpat la ban syam ni ka met tat hadu menta pat la pan pentikna ba uni unong nya uba laja arngai ula penyap yala de lani ula petri na ka ni ka jaka bola e ka kali. Dapat ni nepet ka jeng nong jaman ka sumpeng ka shalong ka jeng shit ka long arpulai pon iwe degree Celsius pa ka jeng shit ka long khatlai pon khandai degree Celsius ka jeng skem ka hau ka long sau pasana ka shispa mit step at sau khandai na ka shispa janmet ka suin beneng kan rang ha shalong sa shisin pat ni pen ke mau phi be ka khubor jong ye phila ru ban pe live YouTube channel jong ka DD News shalong Shaban Poish Kabukut Jong Tuk Kubor, ni Pek Biang Sesian Kemat Pokong San. Sedang ke sorkar balik AA Persyaya u AIGP berim ubak JK yang rai kabede kejeng pendon kambak lai kali. Rakhi ketenak kulit MEGHALAYA ke Police Commemoration Day. Penlong ketenak District Tuberculosis Officer East KHASI Hills yang Food Distribution Support Scheme nak kebentakin orang TB. Bat ubak palau lade bentuk kit halor ke dekat jong Kongres ke belah Petseng ong ubak laknan Rimbui. Di perlok atung lapoi syar bukut jong tuk kubor jeng imta ke janmian hadu win de syambi yang berpilih syaga singi kublai pi baro.